Okay, so today's video is we're going to be looking at the surface area of this triangular pyramid. So just a little bit of basic information. Triangle ABC is the base of this triangular pyramid, and then DF is what is referred to as the slant height of this pyramid. And those are all going to be very important to be able to notice our surface area. So sometimes, just to kind of give FYI, you will need to use the Pythagorean Theorem in order to find that slant height. And they'll give you that information on those type of problems of your A, your B, and then you use Pythagorean Theorem to find your C, which is your slant height. And once you have that, then you would return to go back to find and continue on to find the surface area of this triangular pyramid. So when you take this triangular pyramid and open it up, this is basically the shape that you're going to get in terms of your lateral sides and your base, which is also a triangle and has thus a height as well. So you can see here the differences between those, and these three here, as long as this is an equilateral triangle at the bottom, these three triangles will all be congruent. So technically you only have two triangles to find. You have the area of the base and the area of one of the lateral triangles. And so when you have those, you would say, okay, the formula for the area of this triangle here is going to be base, which is basically any one of these sides, times the given little height here, which is 90 degrees to any one side, divided by 2. These guys here is going to be very similar in terms of the fact that you're going to have your base, which is going to be the same base, but it's going to be times your slant height, which is going to be the height of those individual triangles, divided by 2. And then you're going to take it and multiply it by 3, because that's how many, obviously, number of sides on the base, and that's how many triangles you have. So if one of your bases, I just said AB, happened to be 8, and let's just say the height of this base triangle was 5, and your slant height was 4, then to find the area of this base triangle, you would have 8 times 5, which is 40, divided by 2, which is 20 units squared. To find the area of your three triangles, you do base times slant height divided by 2. So you'd have 32 divided by 2, which is 16. And then you have 3 of them. So that would give you 48 units squared. So to find your total surface area of this triangular pyramid, you would add them all up and get 68 units squared. And so that is how you'd go about to find the surface area of a triangular pyramid. All right, I hope this helped.